Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. We all want to earn money as much as we can. Easy money is something that you cannot necessarily get through a typical 9-to-5 job. Stock market plays a huge role in helping one generate income easily. However, generating income through the stock market can be risky. With the prospects of earning a large sum of money through investments, there is a higher percentage of loss. If you are looking for some advice as to how many shares you need to invest in to earn $1,000 a month, we will tell you how. The most safest and effective option to earn money would be buying shares of dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are the best way to accumulate passive income, sparing you from working after you retire. If you are expecting to earn $1,000 per month in dividends, then you will be earning $12,000 a year. Compound interest and diligent savings can help you build up money so that you could invest it into buying dividend stocks. Let's say that your portfolio gives you a 10% dividend yield, then you would need $120,000 to get enough shares for a $1,000 monthly income. However, high yields are more volatile and prone to risks. The higher yields there is also an aspect that the yields are unlikely to grow over time. Similarly, if your portfolio has a 6% yield or 4% yield, then you would need $200,000 and $300,000 respectively. Tax is an aspect that should be taken into account. As your dividend yields are high, you would be paying a lot of taxes. For the desired $1,000 monthly income, you need to have a portfolio worth between $120,000 to $300,000. Now, in order to grow such an extensive profit-bearing portfolio, you need to invest in the right stocks. Every company has their own share price and a specific dividend yield percentage. We have gathered the best stocks that you can invest in and get dividends that will give you a secure amount of $1,000 per month. The first pick is Apple Inc., which is a multinational American technological company. The stock price per share is currently $317 with a dividend yield of 1.03%. Apple has a new lineup of iPhones that will be launched, which will increase their base. To earn a monthly income of $1,000, then you would need to buy 3,665 shares. Ford Motor Company is our second pick, which currently has a stock price of $5.64 with a dividend yield of a whopping 10.63%. The dividend payment for Fords are exceptional and stable. For a $1,000 income per month, you will need to buy 20,016 shares. AT&T is also a good choice as it is a multinational conglomerate holding company with a share price of $29.77 and a dividend yield of 6.99%. This percentage is hard to beat considering that the company is at a growing stage. This means you are buying a minimum of 5,767 shares for the monthly income of $1,000. Another major player could be real estate. Investing in real estate stocks like Realty Income Corporation. The share price is at a decent $51.75 and has a dividend yield of 5.4%. This gives you the opportunity to buy around 4,300 shares for a desired monthly income. The best thing about this company is that it pays a monthly dividend instead of paying it once every 3 months. This makes it feasible and removes the hassle of saving up money until you get your dividend. 3M is another famous dividend stock that gives a solid 3.3% yield. 3M is different across almost every part of the industrial system, so it has a stable inventory that actually follows the economy. This corporation has one and all exceptional research and development departments, which allows it to get a little extra return on what you'd anticipate above baseline financial growth. Our next stock isn't an inventory at all, however a fund, the Illyrian MLP Fund. The fund is an exquisite organization of pipeline corporations within the US electricity space, so it's actually primed for that power independence and can pay a high 8% dividend yield. Now that we have talked about the best stocks to buy with the best dividend yields, we now need to look at the other side of the picture. We know how many shares to buy to reach the monthly $1,000 goal. What we need to observe is that you need capital beforehand for you to invest it. Let's take Apple Inc. To reach our monthly goal, we will have to invest around $1 million in shares to receive the $1,000 check per month. Or if we take Ford, we will have to invest over $112,500 for our desired monthly income. You can't just look at a dividend yield, as this is something a lot of dividend investors get wrong. If you're living off your investments, so depending on your stocks for the monthly income, then you have to look at the total return on investment. To grow your portfolio, reinvest in your dividends is highly important so that when you need that monthly income, it will help you in hard times. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you will love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.